Hello everyone. Today we are at the Jelke Creek Bird Sanctuary, just outside of Elgin, Illinois, kind of in between Elgin and Sleepy Hollow. Supposed to be some birds here, and we got another food vlog today. So, what do we have inside this bag today? Something we got at a gas station, actually, again. This is a mobile station in Gilbert's. They have a little decent restaurant that you can get takeout food at. Quite a variety of different sandwiches and stuff like that. And this is what we're dealing with. We got ourselves a fish sandwich. Yeah, this place inside this gas station had quite a variety of different things to get. They have a bunch of like Mexican things like tacos, burritos, and stuff like that. They have your typical hamburgers, hot dogs, and breakfast items. I believe it's a mobile station right off of Route 72 in Gilbert's, and they had a fish sandwich. So I'm like, I'll never turn down a fish sandwich. So yeah, we got a pretty good selection of things on here. We got cheese, which is always good, lettuce, tomato, looks like some relish. Yeah, so looking pretty good. Of course, one thing that I need to add to the fish sandwich would be some mayo. It's a little windy today. Chose a really good day to do a outdoor food vlog. Alright, that should do it. Alright, let's give it a shot, see how it is. Had quite a few fish sandwiches in my day, so we shall see. Yeah, no, this is pretty good. It's definitely good fish. It's not a McDonald's fish fillet type of deal. Very, very good. So yeah, no, this is definitely the real deal here. Another quick look inside. So yeah, got a little bit of everything in there. Good toppings for sure. Yeah, this is very good, and I love when they include cheese on a fish sandwich. That's not something you see all the time, I don't think, but cheese is definitely a must. You have your cheese, your mayo. If I had it, I would probably add pickles. I like to add pickles on my fish sandwiches too. I don't know if that's a weird thing or not, but I do like to put pickles as well. Need at least a few on a good fish sandwich. Yeah, this is really good. The fish is good, but the toppings, definitely can make or break a fish sandwich too. It can definitely be plain, but maybe most people like just regular little fish, but I like to put stuff on it, like much like you would do with a hamburger or hot dog or whatever. Even my chicken sandwiches, I like to again throw some mayo on there with some pickles, and yeah, I think it's pretty good. But it's good, for a gas station fish sandwich. Even though it was more of a more of a full service type of restaurant, not some kind of typical little food selection you might expect at a gas station. They had quite a nice selection there, so it was pretty good. Found that place by accident. I mean, I've been to that gas station before, but never really paid attention to the food stuff they had there. So I'm like, not too bad. I can get a fish sandwich, and it was only $4.99, which I think is a pretty good price because fish can be a little on the pricey side, but $4.99 just a sandwich, no fries or side or drink or anything, is still pretty decent in my opinion. All right, let's go find some birds, I guess. There is a huge amount of trails through this area that unfortunately we will not have time to go through today. I am not even sure exactly how many miles of trails, but it looks pretty large on the map. But we're just going to kind of walk in the immediate area here. That's where we had our lunch at, our fish sandwich. So you can walk down here, see what's over here. I've never been here before, so really have no clue what's down and around in these parts. Got a big rock. And a little pond thing here, kind of reminds me of my smaller pond at my local neighborhood park. Has all these lily pads as well. Not this big though. There's one bird over there. Oh, there's another bird. Yes, maybe they do have birds here. Hanging out by the water. Probably looking for food, I guess. A little hard to see, but little like tadpole type guys. A whole ton of them just swimming down this little area right here. Maybe that's what the birds are looking for. Not really sure how good they're coming out on camera. They're running away from me though. Oh wait, is that Pac-Man? Oh, there's Pac-Man. Even got the eye over there. Nice. If I'm not mistaken, that's a lily flower, right? All right. Would make sense to me. I'm not going to try and go out there to get that. I'd have to climb on this log here, and yeah, that's definitely not going to happen. I do not feel like getting wet today. I see more of the plants and stuff going out in the water over there. Yes, we are on the Big Rock. So this trail that we're on now basically just goes around the pond. So that's what we're going to do today. This open land is a lot bigger though, and it heads up this way behind, you know, the trees there, and kind of like forest preserve and stuff, I guess. So we don't have time to go do all that, but this is a huge open land here. Pretty nice. And as much as I would like to say that this is Lake County's doing, this is not Lake County. You know, I'm a big fan of the Lake County Forest Preserves. This is actually Kane County. But this is definitely a nice area for sure. I mean, just look at all this open land through here. It's just crazy. And here is a map. Maybe you can get a better idea. The entrance is off of Bonkoski Road. I guess that's how you say it. You could take Sleepy Hollow Road down from 72 like I did. Hit up with Bonkoski, and the entrance is right here. That is the picnic area that we ate our fish sandwich at, and this is a little circle trail that we're on, 0.2 mile and 0.1 mile, yes. And then, yeah, if you want to go, keep going this way to head north, a bunch more trails through here. Got a circle trail here. Got another trail that leads to a whole bunch of trails over to the east as well. None of them are that large though. 0.1 mile, 0.2, 0.6 is this longer one here. Really not too bad. If you have time, you could probably make a plan and walk through most of it or bike it. Something I would probably do. And it connects up to Sleepy Hollow Road over here. This is the actual creek, the Jelke Creek. So there's a variety of asphalt, gravel, and mowed grass trails. And there's fishing piers and overlook and a council ring, whatever that is. Keep your pets leashed and keep caution for low nesting birds. There you go. Very nice. But this is definitely something I could see myself taking my bike down, which I have not done a bike ride in a long time, for sure. I'm definitely overdue. With work schedules and various things, it just hasn't worked out for me to do any biking vlogs. I've been wanting to hit some forest preserves and trails up in Lake County and hit those trails with my bike, and this unfortunately has not worked out yet. I would like that to be a thing. I would also like to get myself a GoPro, a little easier than using my phone. I think the vlog would be better if I did have the GoPro, so maybe something for the future for the channel. There's definitely a ton of bike trails in Lake County, and ones that are very even close to my house on Lake Zurich that I can hit, and even some in McHenry County, Kane County, as well as Cook County that I'd love to hit again. The Fox River Trail, Des Plaines River Trail, so many I would love to hit. Again, time has been an issue, and also wanting to get some kind of GoPro or something that'll be better for that type of thing. Like there's another pond over here. Sign over there, shallow water, no fishing, no swimming. I could sort of maybe see it over there. Don't really see too many birds or anything. You can even see part of the trail way at the other end over there. And this thing winds all around in this area. It's just crazy. Definitely would like to explore this more. Also another little pond over here. It's very nice. Peaceful, quiet. They got a picnic area. Works for me. Get another nice view of the water plants, whatever they're called, over here. A whole bunch of them. Can you even learn how it rains and evaporates and clouds and all that fun stuff here. And that is the Jelke Creek Bird Sanctuary here in, I'm going to say Elgin, but it's unincorporated, sort of Elgin, sort of Sleepy Hollow, Illinois. Definitely interested in coming back here, checking out some more of the trails. But what I've seen so far, I definitely like. So thank you for watching this video. Click the like button if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you like my sort of unofficial food vlogs. Leave your opinions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And of course, check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. So Dundee Township is what we're officially calling it over here. Another map. Regulations. And a restoration project. Before and after.